Drugstore today, and I'm looking at Makeup Revolution. I don't really see any lipsticks here from them. Here's here. Lipsticks. I used to wear this sparkling amethyst. It's a nice color. This one's kind of intrigued me. This is our thinnest texture, 8-hour wear, shiny finish. And this one says glossy finish. And they've got the Physicians Formula. I think this is the one that people were raving about. Better believe it. Physicians Formula. Some Physicians Formula mascara. It might be good to try. Good morning, everyone. Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So today is day 12 of our Mature Skin Makeup Challenge, where I'm doing 30 products in 30 days by 30 different brands. And today I have a classic. It's a L'Oreal lipstick, and it is the shade, let me get my glasses, Peony Pink. I love peonies, and I think it was probably partially the name that attracted me to this lipstick. So as you can see, I have almost completed my look for today. And I'm going to put the lipstick on for you. First, let's have a swatch on my hand. So here you go. It's a little bit sheer, beautiful pink color though. And I thought it would go nicely with the blush from Milani that I featured in the video yesterday, day 11, which you can look at in the playlist if you're interested. That was the Milani Baked Blush in the color Dolce Pink. And I think this will go really nicely with it. So let's go ahead and try it on. So I've got my mirror here, and I'm just going to put my lipstick on. It's a beautiful pink color. Perfect, perfect, I think. Really nice. So, as with a lot of the L'Oreal lipsticks, this one has a scent. So if you want unscented, this is not for you. It's quite a strong scent. A florally kind of scent, I would say. Doesn't bother me, but I think it might if you're sensitive to scents, you wouldn't probably like it. So that's something to consider. But look at the packaging is beautiful, and L'Oreal always does a beautiful job with their lipsticks. The only complaint, and it snaps closed really nice, it's a nice tight closure. The only complaint I would have about this is when I got it, it wasn't sealed. I kind of like things to be sealed when I buy them from the drugstore, because then I know that they haven't been tried on or anything. But there you go. It was in perfect shape when I opened it. So there's my lipstick for today. My look is nearly done, so I'm going to go away and finish that up for you. And we'll do our wear test. It's a lipstick, so, you know, it'll probably not make it till noon. But I will not touch it up, and we'll see how we're doing by lunchtime. So here we go. Here's my finished look for today. And I got my earrings on. I put some setting spray on. It's a little damp here. But I'm ready to go out the door and go to work. So what I wanted to say is thank you so much for joining me for this video. And if you're liking these videos and you like my channel, please like and subscribe. We're growing our community. And if you have any thoughts on any of the products that you'd like to see featured in this 30-day challenge, please let me know in the comments. I've listed all the brands in the description, and you can pick it from a brand that isn't on there already, that we haven't done already. And I'm willing to try anything. I just don't want it to cost hundreds of dollars, but anything that I can get at Sephora or a drugstore here in Canada, I'm happy to try. So I'm off to work, and I'm going to go see how this beautiful lipstick wears, and I will check in with you at noon. Okay, so here we go. It's lunchtime. I've had a very busy morning, and I haven't had a chance to even think about this lipstick, so I haven't touched it up at all, but you can see pretty normal wear for a lipstick, for me anyway. I usually get a little bit left around the edges and then the rest is gone. So I will be touching it up now, but I really like the color though, I do have to say. And L'Oreal always makes beautiful lipsticks, so you can't go wrong with that. So here's my Bonnie to say goodbye. We matched today. Too bad you're not coming to work with me. So I'll say bye-bye. Bye-bye now, people. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.